Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 8 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently lift up to unplug the battery cable from the motherboard. Flip the unit over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There can be a lot of adhesive underneath, so take your time and avoid using too much force. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, remove the foam covering, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and reapply the tape. Lay the LCD panel back into place. And replace the 4 3mm screws. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 8 captive screws in the bottom cover.